Hello everyone, how's it going? In this video, we're going to see how the deepfake Tom Cruise video was made, what kind of application, what was the software, what was the technology behind it, who made it, and how did they end up making it. It's a very good deepfake video, very realistic. Do check it out. The channel was made, or the video was made by this gentleman, Chris Ume. He's a visual effects designer and he's been experimenting with deepfakes for some time now. And he has made some very interesting and very funny deepfake videos. So do check it out. Very interesting to look into. So the person behind the actual person who's acting is Miles Fisher, and he does a very good impression for Tom Cruise, and he's bringing the character to life. The deep fake is what's giving that face to him, but the acting, the whole character behind is acted by this gentleman. The softwares or the applications that was used, one of these is the machine video editor. This allows us to create a mask of the person where you can make any adjustments to the deepfake, because deepfakes, I mean, even though they are very good right now to today's technology, but they're still not there where you can almost fully mimic it. So you do need some external features, external softwares to streamline and make it more presentable. So machine video editor is one of the software that is used. And the next is Deepface Lab, and this is a pretty common and pretty popular one, and making huge waves in the deepfake industry. So this is the other application that was used. And finally, the TikTok video or the TikTok channel, which is going viral because of the Tom Cruise impersonations. Yeah, so just want to share this video with you. With that, take care, stay safe, bye-bye.